Welcome to this presentation about the Mining Technology Program. My name is George Haynes. I am the Program Director, and I would like to tell you about this exciting educational opportunity for those working in the mining industry. This Associate of Science degree in Mining Technology is being funded by a Department of Labor High Growth Job Training Initiative grant. The grant amount is nearly $1 million and is being supplemented by other funds from the college. The purpose of the grant is to increase the capacity for training emerging and incumbent workers for jobs in the mining industry. We had a lot of help getting to this point in our program. Besides the Community College District, we started with a model being used by Penn State, and more recently we've partnered with the Kentucky Coal Academy by exchanging visits to each other's campuses as well as sharing program information. Other colleges with mining degree programs have shared course information, and we plan to visit some of their campuses to talk about degree completion programs for those who may wish to complete their four-year degree. Our local economic development agencies and workforce personnel have been involved and will offer support as needed. The University of Wyoming and the Western Research Institute have been supporters of our program, and we hope to share information on emerging technologies and degree completion opportunities for our students. Our biggest supporters have been the mining industry. They recognize the need to develop the next generation of leaders in mining, and their support and assistance in identifying and developing the courses in the program has been very important. This degree program has many advantages. First, it will produce well-trained workers for the mining industry. For the workers themselves, it will enhance career opportunities in their organization and provide opportunities for growth and promotion to supervisory positions. For the mining industry, encouraging employees to take this degree program will be a good retention tool. Keeping and developing good employees is good business. The philosophy of the Associate of Science degree in Mining Technology is to prepare the next generation of supervisors and potential managers, and also enhance the skills of people currently in supervisory positions. To accomplish this, we have come up with a blend of required courses, core mining courses, and leadership and management courses. To help us get where we are today, we assembled a group of people representing the local mines and mine support companies. They included human resource professionals, training managers, mining engineers, and even company vice presidents. Using the model we had from Penn State and research from other college programs, we discussed the types of courses that would be the most beneficial to our students. We then discussed the best way to deliver the classes and where we should offer them. One of the upcoming slides will discuss this in more detail. Here is a list of the classes in the Mining Technology degree program. There are a total of 65 credit hours required to complete the Associate of Applied Science degree. With the exception of the 3 MShaw classes, all of the mining courses are brand new. We have taught Mine Health, Safety, and Law one time, and we will teach Introduction to Mining this fall. The other courses are under development by our new faculty member, the instructional designer, and for some classes, we have help from our coordinator of distance education training. These support courses were determined to be an important part of the development of a well-rounded supervisor. The general education classes are required by the college for completion of the minimum requirements for an Associate of Applied Science degree. We had some options on which general ed classes to include in the English and math area, so we decided on the ones listed as they will be of most benefit to our students. This is the total cost of the program, not including books. Most companies are able to reimburse their employees for tuition and books as part of the company's tuition reimbursement benefit. You will need to contact your Human Resources Department to find out the specific benefits your company provides. The most difficult part of this process was deciding where, when, and how to offer these courses. With the varying shift schedules at our Powder River Basin mines, the distance some students must travel, and the balance between full-time work and learning, this was a challenge. It was decided to offer classes 1 day per week and compress the semesters into 9-week blocks. This will minimize time students have to come on to campus and allow them to complete the program in a 3-year time span if they choose to take each class the first time it is offered. We teach classes on both Thursday and Friday. The material taught on Thursday is repeated on Friday to allow for varying shift schedules. The student has the option to attend either day. Classes taught in the afternoon on one day are taught in the evening the next day, so that day workers who can only come to class at night can attend all classes that are offered. We currently have 8 online classes in the program, with more under development. Eventually, we would like to have an online option for all classes in the program. We are also going to be using video capture technology to record lectures and post them online for students who have missed a class due to conflicting shift schedules. This is an example of how the classes are offered. If you take both classes, it is a long day, but you only have to attend class 1 day per week. If your work schedule allows, you can split up your classes and attend Thursday for one class and Friday for the other one. This is the calendar schedule for the 9-week course blocks through June of 2012. By that time, every class in the program will have been offered at least one time. This is the list of classes being offered in fall 2010. The first 2 classes, Management 2100 and CMAP 1680, are for new students in the program. Management 1200, Mine 1500, and PEAC 1001 are for second-year students. Mine 1550 will be scheduled as needed for those who have not taken the MSHA class in Supervisor First Aid. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to contact any of the staff members listed. We want this program to be a success. Ultimately, the students who take the classes will determine if it is a success. We look forward to your participation and feedback. Thank you for listening to this presentation.